Welcome to Variables. Store and manage data efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without variables, you'd have to hard-code every value each time you need it. How do we store and reuse data? Hard-coded values are inflexible, cannot update or reuse data. Code becomes messy and repetitive. Variables store data in memory for easy access and modification. How is variables used in the real world? User input. Store username and password. Game score. Track player points. Shopping cart. Hold item price and quantity. Variables powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without variables? Hard coding values directly into calculations. Look at how messy the code gets. Values scattered in code. Hard to update values. No meaningful names. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Variables. Look how clean the code is now. Store data once. Reuse. Easy to update values. Clean. Readable code. Compare the difference. And that is why we use variables. Let's see how to implement variables in code. Here is the implementation. Integer variable. Store whole number. String variable. Store text value. Boolean variable. Store true/false. Double variable. Store decimal number. Print variables. Display stored values. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is a variable in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is variables store data that can change during execution. Which is a valid variable name? Which one is correct? The correct answer is names can start with letters, underscore, or dollar, not numbers. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is X is reassigned to 7 before printing. What happens here? Which one is correct? The correct answer is int can be widened to double automatically. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.